Welcome guys. On this video, I am going to show you how to create this viral dancing video. So this video is actually created making use of an image and also a duplication of a video. Now you can create this very simple. All you need to do is to generate the image that you need. Now, how do I do this? There are three different tools that I'm going to use to create this. One, I need the ChatGPT. Two, I need TikTok, and then finally I need Kling AI. So to create the image on ChatGPT, this is the prompt that I made use of. You can actually make use of this prompt and fit the same style. Pause the video to see the prompt properly. I went on to enhance the image and I finalized on the last image that I created, and I'm satisfied with this. Now the next thing I did, I went to TikTok and then I found this video, I liked it, and then I downloaded it. To download this video, all you need to do is to click on the share button on your TikTok and you hit download. You'll be able to download that. Very simple. Now I already have it downloaded, and how exactly do I come to this area? I just typed in search and then it gave me a list of dance song after searching for the dance song. So you choose anyone you want and then you download. The next thing you do is to open this AI called Kling AI. You can download it on Android Play Store, free. But the thing is, you actually pay if you are making use of this tool. Now, the tool that we are going to be making use of is called Motion Control, which is the first option under the trend. You can see it right there. Click on it and then you are going to see different sample that is already existing that have already been uploaded. Now, the first thing you need to do is to add your character. You click on the character, you select your camera roll, and then you upload the character that you want to use. Let's wait for it to upload. All right, our character has uploaded. You can see it. It is displaying right there. And also, I took the time to upload the video. Now, to upload a video, you click on this area, right? And then you select camera roll. But I already uploaded the image, the video that I want to use. And this is the video that I want to use. Let me open it so that you can see the video. That is the video that I want to use. And next, all I need to do is to put in the prompt. Now you click, you go ahead and put in this prompt. I already typed it out. I just don't want the video to be too long. So this is the prompt. Go ahead and copy it out and you make use of it. Now, after pasting the prompt, all you now need to do is to hit generate. Now, once you hit generate, it is going to generate. You notice it's loading. Just allow it to load and generate our video for us. So this might take some time, but it won't take so much time. This, guys, is how to create animated or viral dancing video. And this is going to take only 9 minutes. All right, guys. So here is the result. And we can play the video to see how it goes. All right, this is the result of the video. You click on it to have it play. You click on the top area and you can download it. And that is all I want to share with you. And also, you notice this video is not too long and also not perfect. Now, you can recreate this multiple times to get a more accurate result, and that is all you need. And also, the reason why the video is short is because I cut the frame or the length of the video. The video is actually longer than that, and just test this out and let me know how it actually performs for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Peace.